hate this traffic, man. It's too damn tiring to drive in the traffic, actually. And okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no. Shit, man. Shit. Shit. I hope it didn't break. Fuck. Hope it didn't break. Okay, it didn't break. It's a bit loose. Lucky it didn't break. Let's see what we can do. I think I'll push it around a bit. Okay. I think this is gonna hold it in its place like for some time, and once I reach home I'll correct it. Yeah, this looks good for now. Looks good. Jeep Compass. Jeep Compass looks actually very good. I think it's a very good move by Jeep to introduce such a model in India. And whoa, look at this.
Grazie, dai, forza Ferrari!
Ferrari logo on a Force Tempo Traveler. Forza Ferrari. Forza. Talk about puns. Man, the sky is looking so beautiful. I don't know whether my camera is doing justice or not. Should actually get a shot of this. Yeah, I should. It's looking so good. Very rare, actually. Do it for the Instagram. Do whatever it takes, but get the shot. So I got a very good shot, and yeah, something to post on my Instagram account. Let's go. So yeah, I have a personal account by the name @TIMVIX, and even my bike has its own account @KTM Duke_250. Make sure you check out the pages. Such a Whoa, Gau Mata. No ABS, Gau Mata. Why give heart attack? Oh. Okay, so I can see the sun coming out. I hope I reach the beach before time. And so pleasant, beautiful.
さほどにも聞かんわい。何？お前はもう死んでいる。
This RX-100 guy is messing around with me. I should not react. Be a mature rider, TIMVIX. Okay, so I'm crossing him. I'm pretty damn sure he's gonna overtake me again. Yep. Oh, this time he's recording. Wow, he's recording. I'm pretty sure he'll post it on his social media. Smoked a Duke. Lol. It's nice, man. Enjoy your ride, but at least wear a helmet. Come on. Oh, stop. Traffic. Oh. So irritating. Oh, what is this bus guy doing? Oh my god. Look at him overtake the traffic. Oh, off-roading. He's actually doing some bike stuff. Oh my god. This is the first time. Surpassing the entire traffic. Good job, driver. Okay, now it's my time to overtake you. Oh, I should have probably bought a Himalayan road. It's so sad that even the government buses don't follow the rules and regulations. I mean, whoa, stop. That was so close. That's the reason there's a signal, dumbass auto guy. There's a signal and it's red. You need to stop. When will these guys learn, man?